Hi everyone, welcome back to my video. So in this video, we will learn together on VPN configuration with FortiGate Firewall. Actually, you already learned this topic with my previous video that we do AD-VPN. We call it hub-spoke VPN. Okay, so we will continue more on this topic about SD-WAN. So like this, when you have two ISP link or you have two WAN link and you want to configure your SD-WAN on FortiGate firewall to load balancing the traffic on your VPN tunnel traffic. So we will learn on this topic today and how it works, and you can explore more on SD-WAN with the HubSpot VPN. Okay, so if you are new here watching my video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give the thumbs up if you like my video. Okay, let's go to the GNS3 lab together and we will practice on this topic. Okay, this is our GNS3 lab. Our previous lab practice with AD-VPN HubSpot, we have side A and side B. Okay, so actually this is our previous lab practice, so you can watch the full video of this lab. I don't want to spend much time for the lab setup from the beginning, so I use this topology to continue our lab practice today. Okay, so we have a look at okay, this is side B, side A, and hub, and we go to network, and then we see our routing. So as you can see, we have AD-VPN routing between side A, side B, and hub using OSPF. OSPF that we have VLAN 30, VLAN 40, VLAN 50, VLAN 60. Okay, and then we have a look at side A. Okay, we can see that this is our VPN tunnel, and we can connect to side B. Okay, side B network, and we go to side B. Also, we can routing to side A network and the hub network. Okay, so this is our previous lab practice. So today we will continue to do this lab practice AD-VPN with SD-WAN. So now we have only one WAN. I will add one more WAN to configure SD-WAN. Okay, so in this case I use here I use okay, MikroTik. Okay, MikroTik, and then okay everyone, so now we start to add MikroTik as our WAN 2. Okay, so Okay, so for WAN 2, here for WAN 2, for this hub I use this network, and for this side A I use this network. Okay, so for side B I will use okay 3. So this is our WAN 2. I will start migrating. Okay, so give me some minute. I will go to each side to delete our VPN tunnel between side to side and the configuration on the hub. So give me 1 minute. I will finish it as soon as possible. Okay, so now on Firewall tab, so we don't have any VPN config anymore. So I go to side, okay, I go to side A and delete the VPN tunnel. Okay, so now we don't have any VPN anymore. Also, we don't have SD-WAN configuration. So for this lab, our purpose for this lab practice, we want to configure SD-WAN with AD VPN. So now we have add one more ISP. Okay, ISP2. Admin, okay. IP address print. Okay, so now we have this IP, the DHCP IP that MikroTik get from my gateway. So 71, okay. I'm using Winbox 71, username admin, password admin. Okay, connect. Okay, so now we connect to MikroTik using Winbox. Okay, so IP address I add this one will be Ethernet 2, okay. This one will be Ethernet 3. Okay, so I go to interface. This one, I rename it to internet. AQ. Side A, okay. This one will be side B. Okay, so if we have a look again, IP address. Okay, so now 1.1 is connect to AQ, and 2.1 connect to side A, 2.3 connect to side B. Okay, and then P route. Okay, so the full route. Firewall, net, source net, okay, so now done on magnetic router. We have ISP2, so we go to fortigate at AQ hub to configure WAN 2. Okay, so I go back. Okay, interface. Okay, port 1, WAN 1, port 3 now. WAN 2. Okay, WAN IP address. Okay, ping. Okay, so now WAN 2 default route, it will be okay. Okay, so now done on AQ, we go to side A. Interface, port 3. Okay, WAN 2. IP address. Okay. Okay, default route. Side B, interface, edit. Okay, WAN 2. This will be 3.2. Okay, static route. (3.1) WAN 2. Okay. So now we already configure our WAN IP here. We continue to configure SD-WAN. So SD-WAN, we create the AD-VPN for our SD-WAN on AQ. So we go back to our AQ and then SD-WAN here. We create our SD-WAN. We can call it AD-VPN and SD-WAN. Okay, SD-WAN, and then we add our member. So we select our zone here, and interface, we create our VPN interface. So we can say this one AD-VPN, we call it AQ1. Okay. Remote, our remote, we can use let's say 10.10.10.2 outgoing interface. It will be WAN. Okay, 123.123. Okay, we select and then okay. Now we have one member. We add another member. Okay, AD-VPN AQB, AD-VPN AQ2. Okay, so this will be 20.20.20.2. outgoing, it will be WAN 2. Okay, 123.123. Okay, so now we have create our SD-WAN and VPN interface for our SD-WAN on hub. So we go back to our interface, and then we will see on WAN 1 we have just now we create the VPN tunnel interface. Okay, so we click on this one and edit. Okay, you can say the same as okay, so IP address, this one, it will be 10.10.10. I put it 254. Okay, 24. Okay, so remote IP, I will put it 253. Okay, so no need subnet mask on IP address. Okay, ping. Okay, so we go to WAN 2 and edit. Interface on WAN 2, and then IP address 20.20.20.254. Okay, so I put like this because we have many hub, for example, but in this case we have two remote side. We have one hub and two remote side A and side B. Okay, so now we click OK. So we have configure our IP address for our VPN tunnel, and we go to our IP6 tunnel. We also can see here our VPN tunnel here. So we click on this one, the first one, and we don't want to use the default configuration. We convert it to a custom tunnel. Okay, we click on it. This one you can delete, and this one in here remote gateway. Okay, remote gateway, this one we want to have many sites to connect to our hub, so we select on this one, dial up user. Okay, and then you can see some setting here. You can edit based on our lab practice previously. This one we use 5 seconds. Okay, and then we go to advanced, add route. We disable auto discovery sender. This is our hub, so our hub we need to send this the packet and the session to our remote side. Okay, so this one we can enable or disable. It's up to you, because device creation for our previous lab we enable it, so we can enable or disable. Okay, so in this case I enable device creation. Okay, so we click on it. This one, the preset key, as you can see, previously we put 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, so for this case here you can add more encryption authentication for this VPN tunnel, and you can choose the more secure version. It means that the IKE version 2, but for this lab practice we use version 1, and we use only 2 encryption key, MD5 and sdwan. Actually you can add more, but okay, so you can play around with your own lab practice, and you can see how it works. Okay, so this is, I keep it like this, and then Here also I keep it like this as well, the same thing. Okay, so I don't want to modify something more, because our phase 1 we have only these two, so phase 2 we need to do the same thing. Okay, so now we continue to edit another interface with internal. This one, the app user. Okay, visible, sender, enable. Okay, and then okay, this one. Okay, okay. Okay, so now we have configured our VPN tunnel on hub. So we continue to our side A. Our side A, we do the same thing. We go to SD-WAN, we create our zone. I call it AD-VPN-A, like this. Okay, maybe we can okay, so we add member VPN. Okay, so this one, AD-VPN A. Here, remote IP address. In here, you can add our here our WAN. We have WAN 1 and WAN 2, so we need to add our WAN 1 IP address here. So our WAN 1 IP address is 100.101. Okay, so 192.168.100.101. Okay, and then WAN 1, our password here 123.123. Okay, we cannot create. Why? Let me check. Tunnel interface. Okay. SD-WAN member VPN. Okay, we try one more time. AD-VPN A. 100.1 port 123.123. Okay, create. Okay, so now success. We click on it. Okay. Okay, we have one member. Okay. AD VPN AB. Okay, so this interface, it will be here. The IP address of our WAN 2 AQ, this IP address. Okay. Okay, I'll go in interface WAN 2. Okay, is why actually I select this one, why not this one? Okay, we edit. Member. Okay. Okay, so now we have this one. Can we edit? Okay, cannot. Okay, so now we create a SD-WAN. The member, we have two interface of VPN tunnel. So we go to our VPN IP6 tunnel. We have two interface, so we go to edit and convert it to custom, and then custom tunnel. Okay, correct. This is our WAN 1 IP address of hub. Okay, and then this one we select on idle the same. This one file advanced disable route. In here we are on side A, so side A it will be receiver from the hub. Okay, this one. So enable. Okay, and this is our encryption. We keep it as default. Okay. Okay, auto negotiate. Okay, then on interface tunnel A, we go to this one and convert it as a custom tunnel. And okay, went through IP address. This one file, this one receiver at route. Okay, this one advanced, so auto negotiate. Okay, now we can see our tunnel is up on the first tunnel. Okay, our tunnel is up. Okay, our tunnel is up. So now we go to side B. Okay, side B, SD-WAN, AD, VPN, B, SD-WAN. Okay. Is okay. So now we already create SD-WAN. SD-WAN with interface with two interface member of a VPN tunnel. We go to VPN IP6 tunnel and we convert this one to custom tunnel. Okay. Okay. This one file, this one receiver. Okay. Okay. Samsung. Here we select version 1. So as you can see that this is we do the lab practice, so I use the version 1 only. You can select version 2 if you like, but you can practice more based on your own. Okay, here advanced, so click on here. Okay, one more, convert, edit, file, no need, receiver, address. Okay, okay. Okay, so now we can see our tunnel is up, but this one not yet up. Okay, so now we have created our SD-WAN with a VPN interface tunnel, and this one interface. Okay, okay, let me check on okay. side A network interface. Okay, so we go and 10.10.10.254. Okay, so we go edit and we on side A we go to edit interface of VPN tunnel, and we add IP address. This one will be 10.10.10. We can say 2. Sorry, 10.10.10.254. Okay. Ping. Okay. Dot two. Okay. Edit. 20.20.20.2. Okay. 254. Ping. Okay, so now we have IP address of our VPN tunnel interface. On side A, we go to side B interface. Okay, edit. IP. Sorry. Okay. 254. This is a remote IP address here. We put the IP address of our AQ IP address. Okay. B. Okay. Okay. This one, why? Two. This IP, it will be WAN 2 of AQ. So we check the interface WAN 2. Okay, here WAN 2. Sorry everyone. 1.2. Okay, 1.2. My mistake here. Okay, so let's refresh. Okay, now up. Okay, so now our VPN tunnel is up. We can see that now we have two ISP. This is ISP 1, this is ISP 2. So this is IP address of WAN 2. This is WAN 1. We go back to our AQ. We see the routing. Okay, so now we have this one. We can see routing on interface VPN tunnel 1. We cannot see interface VPN tunnel 2. Let's go to our network routing. Okay, everyone, because my previous lab, I used my previous lab. We use OSPF routing, and we have only one network, one WAN interface tunnel. So now we have two WAN, so we need to add another network for WAN 2. Okay, so here we go to okay, OSPF here, router ID. Okay, on the network here we add another network, 20.20.20.024. okay. Okay, so this is routing our WAN 1 interface. This is WAN 2 interface. Okay, we apply, and then we go back to our side A. We add another route. Okay, OSPF create. Okay, apply. Okay, so now we go and check. Okay, so if we select only OSPF, okay, we not yet see. That's okay. We continue to side B, and we will go back and have a look the routing again. So side B network OSPF, we add one more network. Okay, apply, and then we go to dashboard OSPF. Okay, so now we can see the routing only WAN 1 interface. Let's go and refresh on. Okay, OSPF. Okay, so now we can see that this is our network on side A. Side A, we have two interfaces now. We can see the routing. All side A, we have two network, and we have two different routing interface, AQ1 and AQ2. Okay, and we go back to our side A. OSPF. Okay, so the same thing here. We can see that we have because when I create I use this. Actually it should be side A1 and side A2 two interface. Okay, here also the same. OSPF. Okay, so we can see VLAN we have VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30, VLAN 40. This is all network at side A and AQ. Okay, this is VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30, VLAN 40, VLAN 50, VLAN 60. So let's try to test our client. Okay, we test our client. PC 1. Okay, 10.2. PC2. Okay, 20.2. This one, PC3 will be VLAN 30. Okay, so we try to ping 192.168, 10.2. Our VPN is up, our routing is a success, but we cannot ping because at the moment our VPN tunnel is successfully connected and up. Our routing also successfully route to all different network that connect to our site, but we need to do one more step. We go to firewall. We need to allow our traffic over VPN tunnel. Okay, so okay, we create our firewall policy. We in here we need to have a two direction of our traffic. So we have in and out traffic. So okay, incoming is our SD-WAN VPN, and then it will go to the local network of AQ. Okay, we can specify our source network network address of site A, which is the VLAN 30 and VLAN 40, but for this example I don't create it, so I select all, and destination we already have VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 here, the local. Okay, also you can select here, or we can select all the same. Okay, so let's say if we want to specify that you have many network, okay, so we have create one firewall. We can we need one more. Okay, so actually we need to disable the NAT. I forget to disable the NAT, so we go back and NAT disable. Okay. Okay, so now we have two directions of our firewall to allow our traffic over the VPN tunnel. We go to side A to configure our firewall policy. The same, we need two firewall policy. Okay, so in here I choose all. So actually, as mentioned before, you can specify the network address of our each side. Okay, so now we have two firewall to allow our traffic over the VPN tunnel. So we go back to our PC and try to ping. Okay, now we can ping to from VLAN 30 side A to VLAN 10 at AQ. Okay, VLAN 30 ping to VLAN 10 here, and then we try to ping to VLAN 20. Okay, also can, and then okay, so now we also can, we go to here AQ with side B. Okay, okay, so this is side B. We go to firewall policy and we allow AQ in using our SD-WAN. Okay, we select all, disable NAT. Okay, we can say allow AD-VPN. Okay, it did. This will be out. Okay, okay, So now we have our firewall policy here. We have our firewall policy here. As I mentioned at the moment that we put like this because if we can specify the network address of site A, it means that VLAN 30 and VLAN 40 we can put like this, but we can say this one we can say like this, so we can use this firewall policy to allow all our site A and site B. Okay. So so let's try to go back to our VLAN 50 here. Okay, VLAN 50, we try to ping VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 here, AQ. After that, we try to ping VLAN 30 and VLAN 40. VLAN 30 here, okay, because 40 we not yet start up. Okay, so now we are on VLAN 50. We try to ping VLAN 10. Okay, now can we try to ping VLAN 20? Okay, also can. We try to ping VLAN 30. Okay, cannot. VLAN 60. We try to ping VLAN 10. Okay, can. And then we try to ping VLAN 20. Also can. So now our site A and site B can ping to AQ network, but our site A and site B cannot ping or communicate with each other. We need one more rule on the firewall policy to allow the traffic that can allow our site A and site B to communicate with each other. Okay, so VLAN 40. Okay, VLAN 40, I try to ping VLAN 10, can. Okay, so we go to our AQ and AQ, we add one more firewall policy. Hello, SD-VPN site AB. Okay, so like this, our SD-VPN will be incoming interface, this one, outgoing interface, this one. Okay, we select all, select all. Actually, as I mentioned, you can create the network address of site A and site B, and you can specify the IP address here. but in this case I don't want to create. I choose all. Okay, we disable that, and then okay. Also you can log all the traffic here. You can select all session. Okay, so now on the AQ we allow side A and side B to communicate with each other. We go back to our client. This is PC4. We try to ping PC5 VLAN 50. Okay, now we can communicate with each other. And then PC6, we try to ping VLAN 30, also can. Okay, so this is we can see that our VLAN can communicate with each other across different sites on the VPN tunnel, but we don't know which interface that they are going to use, because on SD-WAN we have 2 VPN tunnel. So you can configure more to do the traffic routing, specify which SD-WAN rule that allow the traffic you want to use over the WAN 1 or WAN 2. But in this case we have SD-WAN configure. So if this link down, our side still communicate with each other because we still have this link. Okay, this is the SD-WAN that you can have one link for the backup. At the same time, you can configure the SD-WAN rule to do the load balancing of your traffic on your network. Okay, so for the load balancing and the traffic load balance, you can figure out more on this SD-WAN rule and the performance SLA. You can have more practice on this feature, and you will see how your traffic route and over the VPN tunnel for this two interface. But in this lab here, now we successfully communicate with each other. We try to disable this link on AQ. It means that when one down. So now we are on PC6. We try to ping to PC6 here. We try to ping to VLAN 30 and VLAN 10 here. Whether we can see we can ping or not. Okay, so now we can ping because we have this WAN 2 for the backup. Okay. Let's say if this link down, okay, and we try to ping from PC1 here. I want to ping to PC6. Okay, let's see together if we still can ping or not. PC6 VLAN 60. Okay, we cannot ping. Let's try again. Okay, so it means that our VPN OSPF, this one down, down. Okay, all the VPN is down because as we can see that this is the backup link, backup link WAN 2. If WAN 2 down, and this is WAN 2 up, and this is WAN 1, and this is WAN 1. So it means that in this case we cannot make our VPN up and running, but let's say we try to restore our connectivity on WAN 1. We try to ping. Okay, wait for a moment. Okay, now the connection is restored. We can successfully communicate with each other using WAN 2. Okay, let's say if WAN 2 here down, WAN 2 here down on side A, whether we can communicate with VLAN 30, we try to ping VLAN 60. Okay, we still can ping. So now this is our gateway. Okay, this is our VPN tunnel, VPN IP on this WAN 1. Okay, so now I think our lab here, we come to the end of this lab. We can have a failover for this VPN to prevent our WAN 1 down or WAN 2 down. We still can communicate between AQ hub and our side, even those our side to side with side A and side B still can communicate and working as normal.